Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode we are going to continue our story about pptx documents or PowerPoint presentations. So for today I have idea to teach you about text, how to put text on your slides, how to select slides, and then how to throw some content. So first thing that you have to do is to import your officer library. Then you have to create one PowerPoint presentation, and then you are going to create these two slides. So one slide is going to be of title and content type, and second is going to be to content. But keep in mind, this to content slide actually contains two contents, so two body parts and one title. So title in this case is implicitly defined. So first thing that we are going to do is to select slide. So we are going to do that with function on slide, and we are going to provide document as first argument, and second argument is going to be index. So we are going to deal with first slide. And now let's put some text on our title. How to do that? With function ph width, you are going to add content to your document. And first argument is going to be document. Second, it's going to be content. And third is going to be location. Well, you could provide location in many different ways. For this case, I'm going to use location type. And as argument for this function, we are going to provide type, title. So if we run this code, we are going to get one presentation with two slides, and at one of them we are going to have title, my first title. But before we actually create this document, let us put some more text in it. Ph width, document, and let's say my first paragraph, of course location, location type, and type for this case body. So we need to put this piece of text in body of our slide. And now I'm going to run this code. You see everything went well. Now let me show you what we have. You see, we have two slides, and on first slide we have my first title and my first paragraph. And let me show you what else we could do with this code. I'm going to copy this part. My first footer, and type is going to be FTR. I'm going to run this now, and let me show you what we have. You see, we have footer in here. Let me copy this. Page number 01, and as location type SLD num. This stands for slide number. I'm going to run this code and I'm going to show you what we have. You see, we have page number 1. And now I'm going to show you another thing. Copy this code. And let's say content is going to be DT. No. Some other text. And type is going to be DT. I'm going to run this. And I'm going to show you this content. You see, some other text. Okay. Well, check this out. This type body, it's actually describing entire body of your slide. And what you are going to do if you actually have two parts of this body. In second slide of our document, we actually have two body parts, two contents. How to deal with that? First, we are going to select this second slide. On slide of document. And index is going to be 2. Now I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this twice. So okay, very descriptive. Type is going to be body, but now position right. For left it's going to be false, and for right it's going to be true. And if we run our code, you see everything is fine, and let me show you the result. And this is how our second slide looks like. So we have two body parts, one on the left side and one on the right side. This would be all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe, and see ya!